Hey y'all, Pieces of Nika is back, and I'm going to be doing a review on this bed head a wave we go by TG Crimpling Waver Iron. So it's really a waver iron, but it can make crimps too. So it has this button here where you can drop this down low to get more of a wave, but I want more of a crimp deeper waves, so you can move it up to get deeper waves. So I have blow dried my natural hair, and I just was curious to see how it would look on blow dried natural hair. So I'll put some of this Edge Effect Professional Edge Control, and it smells really good. I got it from my beauty supply store, Hey Beauty. And so I put that on my edges, and so I'm gonna start in the back. I'm just jumping right to it, but before I do that, I just want to thank you all so much for rocking with me. Thank you for subscribing, all my old subscribers. I love you all. Thank you for continuing to support me and my channel and never leaving, although I'm not as consistent as I need to be. I have a lot going on, so I've been trying to work on being more consistent for y'all. I am so sorry, but for my new subscribers, welcome. Take a look around at some of my other videos. You might enjoy them. Thank you all again for watching, and let's get into this hair. So like I said, I'm going to start in the back. I almost forgot, y'all. Spray some of this on there. It's a holding spritz, so let's try that. Spray some of that on there. This side did not do right. We're gonna do this side again. That stuff smells good. It smells good. Okay, that's better. Yeah. I just realized I had Pretty Ricky playing. I probably would get copyrighted, so I want to come back and say what I said. I said that I put the wave, the iron inside the previous wave so it can be a continuous wave. And it's been so hot outside that my hair is probably not gonna last long with this because it's gonna get super big. But I just was curious to see and to show y'all how this looks on blow dried natural hair. Well, this is how it turned out. Not too bad for it to be blow dried natural hair in 100-degree heat outside. Probably not gonna last, which I know it ain't gonna last, but I was just curious to see how it works, and I like it. But I am gonna try it again, especially in the winter time when it gets cold and I actually flat iron my hair first. I will be trying this again on flat iron hair. It'd probably be less big, you know, but I like volume, you know, because my hair is naturally fine, so I really like this look. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you have not tried this, I got this from Ulta and it was $39.99, so go check it out if you haven't. And I just love you all, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.